Welcome to YouTube channel Importance of Sports. Today we shall discuss about exercise and sports science. Hope you all doing well. So let's have a go. What is sports science? Sports science is a discipline that studies the application of treatment and preventions of injuries related to sports medicine. The study of sports science traditionally incorporates area of physiology, psychology, and biomechanics, but also includes other topics such as nutrition and diet. Now we shall discuss the origin of the exercise physiology. The ancient Greece named the Greek physician, surgeon, and philosopher wrote a 7 detailed essay about improving health, proper nutrition, aerobic fitness, and strengthening muscles. The areas of the sports science exercise physiology. The Greek word physis means nature, origin, and logia means the scientific study of functions in a living system. A subdiscipline of biology, its focus is in how organism, organ system, organs, cells, and biomolecules carry out the chemical and physical functions that exist in a living system. Now we shall discuss the biomechanics. Biomechanics is the study of the structures and function of the biological systems, such as humans, animal, plants, organs, and cells by means of the methods of mechanics. Biomechanics in sports can be stated as the muscular, joint, and skeletal actions of the body during the execution of a given task, skill, or technique. Proper understanding of biomechanics related to sporting skills has the greatest implications on sports performance, rehabilitation, and injury preventions, along with the sport mastery. Now we shall discuss about the sports medicine, also known as the sports and exercise medicine. It is a branch of medicine that deals with the physical fitness and treatment and preventions of injuries related to sports and exercise. Common sports injuries like concussion, muscle cramp, ACL sprain, ACL tears, ankle sprain, shin splints, and muscle strains. Now we shall discuss about the sports physiology. Is an interdisciplinary science that draws on knowledge from many related fields, like including the biomechanics, physiology, kinesiology, and the psychology. It includes the study of how physiological factors affect the performance and how participation in the sports and exercise affect the physiological and physical factors. In addition to instructions and training of the physiological skills for performance and improvement of applied sport physiology, may include the work with athletes, coaches, and parents regarding injury and rehabilitations, communication, team building, and the career transitions. Now we shall talk about the sports nutrition. It is a study and the practice of the nutrition and diet as it related to athlete performance. It is concerned with the type and quantity of the fluid and the food taken by an athlete and deals with the nutrients such as the vitamins and minerals, supplements, and organic substances such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Although an important factor or part of a sports training regimes, it is most commonly considered in strength sports such as the weightlifting and bodybuilding and endurance sports. For example, the cycling, running, and swimming. Here is the chart that you can see here, the sports nutrition pyramid. First of all, in the base is of water, serving or more. Then is a bread of cereals, rice and pasta group. Then is a fruit and vegetable group. And then comes the milk, yogurt, cheese groups, and meat, poultry, fish, all the seafoods include. And the top of the pyramids, the fats, oils, and sweets are included. Now we shall discuss the exercise science principles. In the study of the exercise science, there are several universally accepted scientific exercise training principles that must be followed in order to get the most from exercise programs and improve both physical fitness and sport performance. To design an optimal exercise program, workout, or training schedule, a coach or athlete needs to adhere to the following 6 principles of the exercise science. The principles of individual differences are this simply means that because we all are unique individuals, we will have a slightly different responses to an exercise program. There is another way of saying that one size does not fit all when it comes to exercise. Now the principle 2 is the principle of overload. The exercise science principle of overload states that a greater than normal stress or load on the body is required for training adaptation to take place. What is this meaning is that in order to improve our fitness, strength, or endurance, we need to increase the workload accordingly. Here is the principle number 3. That is the principle of progression, implies that there is an optimal level of overload that should be achieved and an optimal time frame for this overload to occur. A gradual and systematic increase of the workload over a period of time will result in improvements in fitness without risk of the injury. If overload occurs too slowly, improvement is unlikely, but overloaded that is increased too rapidly. I have to end my lecture here. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.